Good morning, grade 5. How are you? I hope you are doing good. Welcome to your English online lecture, and it's our creative writing lecture as we have done the concept of I would and I were in our last lecture. It will be easier for you to write or to use these, and we know that I were or I would is used to, yes, used to give advice. Very good. So the topic we have chosen today is if I were the Prime Minister of Pakistan, what would I do? What are the changes I want to make in Pakistan or in the system of Pakistan? The first question is what do you want to change? Like what are the areas where you want to change? What are the changes you want to bring in your country? So, as a Prime Minister of Pakistan, I would like to change from the very grassroots level. I want to improve different institutions or different sectors of my country like health, police, education, clean water supply, shortage of electricity, unemployment. There are many more, but we will just talk about the basics right now. And the second question is why do you want to change? Obviously, they are not up to the mark or up to a mark level. There should be some changes to make it better to improve their working. I would try to make my country a welfare state where people of my country can get help in health sector, because health is the top priority for any country. As we are suffering from COVID-19, we had all seen on the televisions, on social media, we heard on radio that how people are suffering, how they are dying. There are lack of facilities, insufficient of beds in the hospitals, no oxygen cylinders, not even the ventilators are available. As we all know, it is most important for the sufferer or the victim, the person who is suffering from the COVID-19. These things like cylinder, medicines, and the ventilators are the most important thing on that time. But if these facilities are available, it's too expensive. Only the rich can approach these. I would preferably like to change this sector. First of all, because health be the most important sector of every government. A person who is suffering from all this is helpless right now. And if we talk about the police, if a person who is deputed to maintain the law and balance, to have check and order somewhere, law and order somewhere, if the field is or the people of this field are corrupted and not even pay to their attention to their duties, they are not doing their duties, they are not, then how it will be possible to bring law and order in our country? जब जो उसको उसकी प्रोटेक्शन के लिए है, जब वही उसको फॉलो नहीं करेंगे, देन हु बॉदर्ड? फिर तो कोई भी नहीं उसको मेंटेन करेगा. And if we talk about water, it is the basic necessity. Everyone should get pure water. It's the right of the patriots, you can say, or the people of the country. If we will not get clean water, we will suffer or we will lead towards different dangerous diseases like diarrhea, typhoid, cholera. There is hepatitis, kidney failure. There are many more. And after that, all water channels must be cemented. And if we talk about the education, it is also the basic sector of a government, basic system of a government. The first thing I would do to get all people to get educated. On the second, I would eliminate the dual standard of education. I will eliminate the difference of dual standard of both, like of government schools and of the private sector and the government sector. And for this, I would make sure that all the children of Pakistan go to school and learn exactly the same books or the same syllabus and same examination method countrywide. Beside this, if we want to make Pakistan a developed country, it's not a developed country, it is a developing country. It will take time to be a developed country. But if we want to make it a developed country, we have to adapt new technologies like IT. As we know that we are suffering from COVID-19 and we are having online classes, and there are different things that are gonna be online. So our people should be aware of all these technologies. They must have an idea. And if we talk about unemployment, I would create job opportunities for all classes, for all castes and the provinces. As I told you that why I want to change in those sectors and how I'm gonna change those sectors, I have mentioned these. And the fourth one is, would you be able to do it in a day? No. How? If we want to make change in a system, it takes years, months. So it's not possible to do it in a day. And what are the top priorities? And as I have mentioned, the basic priorities. So these are the top priorities, like the health, education, clean water, food supply. ठीक है, proper food supply हो जाएगी. Those were all my priorities. Now I'm gonna leave a question for you guys to express your views, your ideas, that if you were a prime minister, what you would do. You have to follow these 5 questions. You have to answer these 5 questions, so it will be easier for you. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.